Josh again, and there's Joseph. I'm not Joseph. We're gonna show you how to be not a noob on GTA. Just put like this. Yeah, like that, and like that. And how to cheat on it. First thing, we're gonna show you how to cheat, destroy all cars. So you press, you press L, R, left, right, square, down, and R. That's how you make it. Yeah, so like this. So like, shoot. So you start with the L. So you guys see the L here? 1 L, 2 L, 2 R, and left, right, square, down, R. And that's it. Yeah. And subscribe, people, please. Oh, please. You need us help you make it. Yeah, and